Pour turmeric on your plants and watch the magic happen. You heard that right. The same golden spice sitting in your kitchen can actually protect, heal, and supercharge your plants. Forget expensive chemicals. This gardener's secret remedy is 100% natural, safe, and surprisingly powerful. Most people think turmeric is just for cooking, but thanks to a compound called curcumin, turmeric doubles as a natural medicine for your garden. It fights fungi, keeps pests away, heals plant wounds, and even boosts soil health. Basically, it's like giving your plants a natural immune system booster. So why should you start sprinkling turmeric in your garden? Here are the 4 biggest reasons. It's a natural fungicide. Turmeric fights off mold, mildew, and root rot that can wipe out your plants. It repels pests. Ants, aphids, and other tiny troublemakers hate turmeric. It heals cuts and wounds. If you've pruned a plant, a dusting of turmeric helps prevent infection, just like it does on human skin. It strengthens soil. Healthy soil equals stronger roots and faster growth. Making turmeric spray is super simple. Just mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground turmeric into about 4 cups, or 1 liter, of water. Stir it well, then either pour it around the base of your plant or spray it directly on the leaves. It can be used to treat fungal infections, protect fragile seedlings, keep pests away, and seal pruning wounds. Now here are a few pro tips. Don't go overboard. Turmeric can stain surfaces and soil. Reapply after heavy rain since it can wash away. And always test on a small area of your plant first to make sure it reacts well. Turmeric works wonders on roses, tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers. But it's also safe indoors. Pothos, peace lilies, and many other houseplants benefit too. So the next time you notice pests, fungus, or weak growth, skip the chemicals and reach for that jar of turmeric in your kitchen. Your plants will thank you with stronger roots, healthier leaves, and bigger blooms. If you found this garden hack helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more natural gardening tips, and let me know in the comments. Have you ever tried turmeric on your plants? I'd love to hear your results. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to get rid of pests using Dawn Dish soap.